Alright, good day and welcome to today's Autodesk Inventors class. My name remains Oluwatumbi Blessing or Lalekon, the founder of Maekll. We'll be considering the problem as displayed on the screen. So don't be scared, alright? So it looks somewhat cumbersome, but it is actually cheap, like plantain chips, alright? Alright, so it's not quite hard. You just need to start from somewhere, okay? So for the purpose of this particular problem, I am going to actually start from the plan, alright? I'm going to start from the plan, and with it I'm going to do this. Right, I have this right. Okay, now so I'm going to click on start to the sketch, pick that right there. So I'm having a rectangle 100 by 90, so I'm going to use 2-point center like this. Okay, so I'm having this 90 on this axis, 100 on this axis, so like this. So I'm going to pick a line. I'm going to draw a line like this all the way down here, like this and like this. So with my dimension, so the distance for this line here is 20, while on this axis it is what? 15. Enter. So take note. Alright, radius, this area, we have this radius 13 of 18 here. So I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to pick a line, distance of 10, enter, then what? Lock it here. So distance here is going to be 30, obviously. Am I correct? Yeah, I'm correct. Okay, so what else? Okay, I'm going to draw another line here, somewhere here like this, here to here. Okay, and the distance of that line is going to be 30 from here. It's going to be 30 like that. Okay, so what else? Okay, I think we are getting somewhere. Okay, a radius 10 with my circle. I'm going to create a circle of radius 10, that's diameter 20 somewhere here, and the distance from the edge to the area is 40. My dimension from here to here is 40. Enter. Okay, so I'm going to create 40 by 20. I'm going to create a line here, 20 in this axis. That is it. So let me just draw it here like this first of all. Now distance from here to here is going to be 20, right? Distance here, the distance here is going to be 40, like that. So I think that area is sorted now. Okay, so what else am I showing right here? Okay, I think I have a circle of, yes, diameter 20, and what's the radius of this bigger circle here? Come, let me figure it out. I know this inner one is diameter 20. Okay, the outside one is diameter 40. So I'm going to pick my circle first of all. Let me just draw diameter 20 first, followed by diameter 40 second. Now the distance from the edge here to the center of this circle here is 45, as you can see on the screen there. This 45 you are seeing here. So with my dimension, edge to edge here is 45. Enter. Okay, now I'm going to pick a line. I'm going to make it hidden line. Okay, I'm going to create it at this center all the way out here like this. Take note of that. So after that, I'm going to create another line like this. okay, like this and like this. So, and the distance of this line is going to be 10. Here to here is going to be 10. Enter. So I'm going to use my symmetric constraint. Pick this, and this center line we created here. Do you see that? So with my trim, I trim this, this, and what, and this. Yeah, I think we are getting somewhere. Okay, together with this, and this. So I think it is figured out like that. What else are we showing again? I think that's all for now. That is all we are going to be showing for now. So I'm going to finish my sketch. Finishing my sketch, I'm going to start extruding. Okay, I'm going to start extruding. Now for the base, okay, let me extrude the edges first. 70 plus 20, 90, total height 90, extrude. The whole of this place is going to be 90. Okay, while here and here will be 70. Okay, yeah, I'm correct. 20 plus 30, 50. So the whole of this place is going to be 50. All right, while okay, this and this is going to be 30. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just confirm that. It's going to be 30. Yes, while this is going to be 15. Okay, and what? Okay, yeah, entering the okay like that. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Oh, that one I drew earlier on won't work out. Whoosh. So I'm going to recreate it here. All right, no problem, no problem. So let me click on this surface first. Create sketch. All right. So project geometry. Click on this with my OK. I'm going to create a circle from this edge. That will be 60. Yeah, I think that's radius 30. That will be 60. Finish sketch. I'm going to extrude this distance of 10. Then inward like that. Okay, that one is sorted. 60. I'm going to click on this surface here. I'm going to create sketch here also like this. Okay, so at a distance of 40, circle of diameter 30. I'm going to create circle of 30 here. Enter. Circle of 30 right there. Okay, dimension from here to here is 35. Enter. Dimension from here to here is 40. Enter. So the area is sorted like that. Okay, then I'm going to draw a line like this. So I'm going to click on project geometry on this face here. Okay, so dimension from let me confirm, 60, 50. Dimension from here to here is 50. While dimension from here all the way here is what is 60, like that. Then I'm going to finish sketch also. So with my extrude, I click on this circle and this shape. I click on through all, then towards the back like that. Then what? Okay, so I have that also. Finally, I'm going to click on this surface and create sketch. So creating sketch on that surface, I'm creating R20 depth of 10, R20 depth of 10. So with my circle on this midpoint already shown there, so the radius 20, that will be diameter 40. I'm going to click on project geometry, click on this surface, then what? Okay. So depth of what? Of 10. Then I'm going to what? Go inwards like this, then what? Okay. And I have my object. You can see cheap like planting chips, easy as what? As ABC, clean like what? Like Maekll. So now that brings us to the end of this tutorial video. Once again, my name remains Oluwatunbi Blessing or Lalekon, the founder of Maekll. Kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.